So in this Webull tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to market buy a stock in Webull using the Webull application. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Webull account. Once that is done for this demonstration, I'm going to go to the bottom right here, press on the markets tab, then go to the top right, press on the search tab or the magnifying glass icon. And how about for this example, I'm going to search up the stock here in Canada, ticker symbol RY, which is RPC Bank, just for demonstration purposes, obviously. I'll then press the stock right here. So if you want to market buy a stock, it's super simple. Go to the bottom left, press on trade, the little blue icon. Then once you're here, under order type, make sure that limit is changed to market buy. So what this actually does, in case you guys are unfamiliar with what a market buy is, it buys the stock at the current trading price. So for me right now, this stock is trading for $144.15. So if you want to buy this at the price that it is, under quantity, select however many quantities of stock you want to buy. Then go to the bottom once you're done and press on buy. And to confirm your market buy transaction, just go to the bottom as well, press on confirm in order to market buy a stock here. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to market buy a stock on Webull. Thanks again for watching and I hope this video helps.